Hi everyone, so in this second video today, we're going to use the rectangular marquee tool. So just like before, you're going to have two pictures open in Photoshop. The first one is a picture of the moon, and the second one is a picture of the Toronto night sky. You can find both these pictures in your Edsby library on the right on your Edsby page. So with the two pictures open side by side, we're going to press and hold and select the elliptical marquee tool, which allows us to make circular selections. So you're going to select that, and I'm going to select the moon, and as you can see, it's a really big picture, so I'm only going to select part of the moon, maybe like that much. And then I'm going to copy the selection, so you can just do Control C, Command C because you're using a Mac, and then go into the second picture and Control V, and there's the moon. As you can see, it's really, really big. It's not the size that I need it to be, so I'm going to transform my selection. To do this, I'm going to hold down Control T, Command T for using a Mac, and then I'm going to simply resize my moon, and I'm going to make it a bit smaller. I think that's an okay size, and I'm also going to reposition it to there. And make sure you click the little check mark up here, or else the selection will not apply. In fact, it's going to freeze your entire screen. So make sure you select the checkbox. If you don't like the selection and would like to start over, you can click on this hash key here. So I'm going to click the checkbox because I actually like my selection, and that's the picture. So I'm going to hit save here, so you could hit File, Save As, save this picture to your desktop or in your documents. Make sure you save it as a PSD file and not as an image file. Definitely do not take a screenshot of this because I would like to see what you did in your Photoshop file. And then once you save it, make sure you upload this file to Edsby. Thank you.